Let's learn the names of the animal babies. Let's know what they are called. Let's see the baby animals with their mommies. And let's sing the baby animal song. A baby dog is called a puppy. A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby goat is called a kid. A baby horse is called a foal. A baby pig is called a piglet. A baby rabbit is called a kit. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby chicken is called a chick. A baby hamster is called a pup. A baby lion is called a cub. A baby deer is called a fawn. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. A baby monk is called an infant. A baby eagle is called an eaglet. A baby swan is called a synnet. A baby owl is called